Welcome to the Munivo Drive tutorial about driving. Here you can find out how to activate driving, which driving profiles there are, and how your wheelchair reacts to the different head movements. Starting from the main menu, you can select Drive by simply nodding down. By nodding down again, you activate driving. From now on, the wheelchair reacts to your head movements. By tilting your head slightly upwards, you move forward. To brake, lower your head towards the chest. Curves are driven by tilting your head to the left or right. The ear goes in the direction of the shoulder. Please keep in mind that your wheelchair always needs a short moment to react to the movement. In most cases, even a very small movement of the head is sufficient. Thus, you can drive the curves more quietly. To drive backwards, you must stop first. By nodding to the right, you activate the reverse gear. Then you drive backwards by tilting your head upwards. The head movement is the same as for moving forward. To switch to forward gear again, you must stop once more. Nod to the right again. Now tilt your head upwards, and you drive straight ahead. To ensure that you are safe both indoors and outdoors, we have prepared 2 driving profiles for you. If you want to change the profile, you must first deactivate driving. To do this, you stop and nod down once. By nodding to the left, you change the profile. A new nod down activates driving in the selected profile again.